Well, today's the day. It's been 11 months since I used my handicap placard, and I thought, you know what? I was waiting for a really special day to shred this, but today I am going to shred it. It doesn't matter that it's like 30 days until it's a year. The only thing I find really significant about today of all days is I'm running again. I don't know if you can see, my shirt is sweaty. I am sweaty. I did catch a 5K back at the beginning of the year, and I was able to run a 5K in, I believe, March. And then I kind of got out of the running, so I'm back running. And I don't need this anymore. I don't want to be a disabled person anymore. I don't want to be labeled disabled anymore. And so, yes, I still have all of the health complications that led me to get this, that made me have 2 doctors recommend that I have a handicap placard. But I decided I don't want to be disabled anymore. So let's get to it. Let's shred this thing. I can't believe I'm actually going to do it, but I'm glad it's time. It's overtime. Oh my God. I guess it would make sense that there's like some tears, but oh my gosh. I'm glad that's done.